In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live chat with Shein customer service in 2025, step by step. Whether you're experiencing an issue with your order, need help with a return, or just have a question, Shein's live chat support can be an invaluable resource for quick assistance. So grab your device and let's get started. First, you need to log into your Shein account. You can do this either through their mobile app or by visiting their website. Ensure that your login credentials are handy. Having them ready will save you time and let you access your account smoothly. Once you've logged in, navigate your way to the Help or Support section. If you're on the website, you can directly reach the Shein customer service support page. This will act as your gateway to accessing various help resources. Upon reaching the support section, look out for the live chat option. This is typically available on the US version of the site and indicates its hours of operation, usually between 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Once you've located it, click or tap on Live Chat. This action will likely open a chat window or pop-up. Initially, you'll be interacting with a bot, which is programmed to help you with basic inquiries and streamline your path to a solution. Now it's your turn to provide an issue summary. This might be something like, I want to track order number 2345, or I need return help. Be concise yet specific to ensure that the bot efficiently understands your request and guides you accordingly. As you progress through this chat, it's important to look for options that allow you to escalate the issue, such as selecting Talk to an agent or Speak to a live person. Should you get connected to an actual customer service agent, this is your opportunity to provide further details that will help resolve your issue more quickly. Have your order number, account email, item name, and a detailed description of your problem ready. Supplying this information upfront will assist the agent in pulling up your account details or order history and can lead to a swifter resolution. Once your discussion concludes, it's quite possible that you'll receive a transcript or chat reference. Make sure to save this documentation for your records. It serves as an excellent point of reference if you need to revisit the discussion or follow up on the issue at a later date. And there you have it, straightforward steps to engage Shein's customer service through live chat. By staying organized, knowing what details to provide, and being patient, you can ensure a productive interaction with Shein's supports team. Thanks for joining us in today's tutorial.